Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing good. If your Windows 11 desktop is not responding after login and you can't click anything, let's fix this. The first method you can try is restart Windows Explorer. For this, you have to press Ctrl key, Shift key and Skip key. Press all the three keys on your keyboard. So this will open Task Manager like this. Now click on this search box and then type Windows Explorer. Okay. Then right click on it, then click on restart. So restart Windows Explorer. If your start menu and search is not working, then on the left side click on this details tab. Now in this search box you have to type search host like this. You will see this kind of option. Right click on it, then click on end task, click on end process. It will restart automatically. Then cut this window and check. Now move on to the next method you can try. On the keyboard, press Window key and R together. This will open run command like this. Now you have to type this command. Okay, type this command carefully. Then click on OK. That's it. Cut this window and check. In the next method, open Task Manager again. For this, you have to press Ctrl key, Shift key and Skip key. Press all the three keys together. Now look for apps using high CPU or high memory or not responding, then close them. For example, if you want to close any app, just right click on it, then click on end task. Okay. If you are still getting the same issue, move on to the next method you can try. Open Task Manager again. After that, you have to disable the startup apps. For this, you have to click on this option startup apps. Now you have to disable the unnecessary startup apps. For this, you have to just right click on the app, then click on disable. So disable the unnecessary startup application. Okay, then cut this window and then restart your system and check. If you are still getting the same issue, move on to the next method. Open Task Manager again. After that, in the Task Manager, you have to click on this option Run New Task. Now here, type CMD. Take this option, then click on OK. So this will open command prompt like this. Now you have to type this command. So type this command carefully. This command will scan and repair system files. Press enter and this command will take around 10 to 15 minutes to complete. After completing this command, cut this window and then restart your system. The next method you can try is update your operating system. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this settings option. On the left side, click on Windows Update. Now click on this option, check for updates. So you have to update your operating system. After that, restart your system and check. The next method you can try is create a new user account, log in with it and check if the issue is fixed. I have already made a detailed video on this. I will put the link in the description. So this is all for the video. Thank you.